Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Oppo Reno 8 Lite. First of all, you need to locate Play Store and open it on both smartphones. Then install free app called Send Anywhere and open it. After that, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select Send on Motorola smartphone and Receive on Oppo one. After that, you need to click on all of those type of dots over here and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer it later on. It will take a long time to do that, so I will go into Photos category, click on one of them, for example that one, and choose Send. Now tap on Got It and on Oppo choose No Thanks and close this window. After that, finally, we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here, we have a lot of time to do it, and connect those smartphones by choosing Receive, but we can also scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Oppo, choosing Allow or Only this time in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!